Hi friends, it's Barry. Let's solve this maths puzzle. What is the larger number of solid 2 by 2 by 1 blocks that can fit in a 3 by 2 by 3 box? So this is a geometry puzzle and we're going to use this diagram to help us solve this problem. So I'm going to drag it here. This is the 3 by 2 by 3 box. And let's find the volume of this box first, okay? So the volume is the product of all the dimensions. So we multiply 3 by 2 by 3. And so we have 6. And then 6 times 3 is 18. So the volume of this box is 18. And now what about the volume of each of these solid blocks, right? So for each of those solid blocks, we can find the volume by multiplying all the dimensions once again. So 2 times 2 times 1 is 4. Now, if we divide 18 by 4, we get 4.5. So that means the math shows us that potentially the box here can fit in 4.5 of those blocks. Now, 4.5 is not an integer, so we can say that potentially the box can fit in 4 of those 2 by 2 by 1 blocks, right? So this is the answer, but we want to be extra sure about this. So we're going to draw out these small blocks inside this diagram to see that the configuration is possible. So let's say our first block is here. So 2 by 2 by 1. Let's say 1 is around this height, like 1/3. So this is the blocks, okay. I'm going to draw these dotted line in the back. So that's our first block that we have fit. And now let's try and fit another box. I'm going to use a highlighter. So this is the first block, okay. And then the second block we can draw here. And this is the one side. And then here is the two side. And then the two, like here, 1. And this time the height is 2, so around here, okay? So like that. And then, so here, I don't know if you can see, but we have fit another block. So that's our second block. So let's do our third block, okay? I believe in here we can fit our third block because this is the length of 1. And then the size of 2 here, and then the size of 2 there, okay? So there's another block here, right? You know, I'm gonna use another color to hide like this so that it's a bit easier to see. So like that, right? I think this looks pretty good actually. I'm going to use orange to highlight that just to make it clearer. And then the green is our first, yeah. So the green here is the original first box that we have drawn. So now you can see sort of there are 3 boxes, 3 blocks inside the box. And then I believe finally we can just put our final block anywhere on the top, lying it flat. So the side length of 1, and this is 2. So like that really. I'm gonna draw it like that. And then here, so something like this, okay? I'm going to use another color to layer it for us to see. Okay, this looks pretty good. Because when I first tried to film this video, I messed up the drawing. So now you can see clearly that here on the right hand side, there are 3 blocks. And on the left hand side, there's 1 other block. And there's no way you can put one more block here because we have already used two of the heights here. There's only one, the height here is 1, and then the base here is also 1, so you cannot fit an extra block here. So this also agrees with the maths we have done. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.